It's almost 7:30 in the morning. We're about to tow this sucker home. She's a-moving. It's a lot of weight to carry. It's a bus train. All right, let's go. After months of setback and shifting plans, we finally towed the second bus home. What was originally meant to be a build focused on towing capabilities has taken an unexpected turn.
Just chillaxing at the mall.
Getting some seat time.
Oh.
This is what the cat feels like. Every time I come in.
Sometimes you need to take a step back and reassess. We took some time at the mall, relaxing in massage chairs, and then over sushi, we hashed out a new plan. Yeah. Instead of diving headfirst into this new build, we decided to focus on making our original bus better. We started with installing brand new gauges, complete with a custom laser cut faceplate.
No, you can't really see it that well.
Tis done.
Is that nice? Needed it? How cool. Then we tackled some heavy-duty work, cleaning and painting and changing all 6 of the bus tires. Thank you. We also ordered up some new solar batteries to keep us powered up on the road. With a fresh coat of paint on our wheels and some decorative touches like new curtains and a fabric-covered back wall, the bus was beginning to feel a lot more like home again. But we aren't done yet. Next, we need to get the red truck ready to be towed behind us. Installing the hitch meant a lot of cutting and drilling and welding.
Sweet home Alabama. Well, we only got to drill 2 holes. That's not horrible at all.
And of course, there was a little mishap with the grinder, because what's a project without a few setbacks?
Oh, that's not good.
Why, death wheels?
I'm not a fan. And now you. Oh! Good. I told you we're not cutting off limbs today.
Good thing I stopped it with the phone.
Highway to the nation.
Sure was menacing looking.
It is.
So, after weeks of preparation and problem solving, the time had finally come. We packed up everything we could, hooked up the truck, and set off, heading into the sunset. This journey certainly has taken more twists and turns than we had ever imagined, but that's what makes it an adventure. Be sure to follow along as we take the next big step on our incredible journey across the United States. We got all the things. Into the sunset we go. See you down the road.